Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Alawael Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, I am some friends. Yeah, I have also some relatives working, but I don't know where she is.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Can you hear me? Beverly, can you hear me? Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. No
Okay,
problem.
so you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 months, it's not 1 month, it's not 1 year. It's a 2 years contract, okay?
I know.
Once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. I'm Bibilin Di Mayo Silverio, 38 years old. Then I have four kids, one girl and three boys. I have experience to working in other country before in Saudi Arabia since 2019 until 2024, and I live now in Kita-Kita Balungaw, Pangasinan.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is May 9, 1986.
Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
I'm single mother, madam.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
Yes, ma'am. Again,
What is your height and your weight?
my height is 5 and then my weight is 45.
Okay, so what about your religion?
My religion is born again.
What about your educational background? Are you
I
elementary
only finished
graduate, high school graduate?
just only high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so can you speak louder because I cannot hear you? So, how many children do you have?
I have four children, ma'am.
You are a single
One
mother.
girl
Then
and
who will going? Okay, so you are a single mother. You told me, right? So who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
yes, I have one brother to take care of my children when I go in Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? You mentioned that you work in Middle East, right? You work in Middle East for how many
Ma'am, again,
years?
sorry because
Okay, okay, wait
I'm working in for since 2019 until 2024.
Okay, what are your duties there to your employer?
I'm working all around. I clean inside the house. I wash clothes. I iron clothes. I
Okay, did you take care children?
no have children, ma'am. They are already all elders.
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working there?
I just going back in the Philippines for only vacation. I will decide then when I decide to come back there, but I don't have any contact of my employer, ma'am. That's why I am not back there. That's why now I decide to going working in other country.
Okay. So, Beverly, your name, right? Beverlyn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is you need to be flexible, okay? You need to be
Yes,
multitasking because there is no such a thing that you will just focus on do house chores only, okay? So, are you
yes,
ready
ma'am.
for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I will.
Can you
No
take care,
problem.
baby?
Yes, ma'am. Oh,
Okay, what about taking care elderly people? Are you okay?
yes, ma'am. Also, no problem.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? Sorry. So, are you okay to caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you okay also to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ate, using of mobile handphone, you can use it during nighttime only, okay? 2 to 3
Okay, ma'am.
hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. During your rest day, you are not allowed to go out, but if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. So if you will rest on your rest day, you will stay only inside the employer's house. Do you agree all of these terms?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, we don't force people to come here also. If you agree, it's okay, you can come. If you disagree, we don't force people also to come here, okay?
Hey, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you handle your homesickness?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
How? How? What will you do?
Because before, mama, when I'm working in Saudi Arabia, I am not seem like another. I am not feel like that, ma'am.
Okay. So, of course, sometimes we might feel like homesickness will strike us anytime, even
Yes,
no matter how
ma'am.
brave we are, how matter how long we work in other countries, right? So,
Yes,
homesickness will strike us anyway. So, always remind yourself that we come to work here in other countries or here in Malaysia to sustain our family's needs, okay? We need to
yes,
humble ourselves. We need to bring our good attitude because this is not Philippines. This is Malaysia. Philippines got different rules and regulations. Malaysia also they have their own rules and regulations. They have their own culture also, okay? So we must
yes,
respect it. Respect it. Follow the employer always. If there is any problem or concern, inform your employer. If there is any that you wanted with the employer, always ask permission, okay?
okay, ma'am. Okay, understand. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Global Ace will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you also,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have
Have
a
a good
good day. Bye.